Gary gets the steal. Here comes Alen Smailagic, who jams it down. He's hit so many clutch shots this year. Kicks it to the cut. Smailagic, and he jams it down!
On the 2-for-1. What a pass by Morris. And Smailagic was not scared of challenging Motley. And there was contact there. That could have been an and one.
Back up by one. Ingram blocked. As the rookie. Jones blocked.
Smailagic hit a three last time out.
Damian Lee right there. After driving and passing, he relocated at the corner just like Steph Curry does.
Played in
Kings and Spurs, right?
Yep. And was called up to Charlotte. Didn't play for them a couple of years back. Smailagic, 2 straight games with a 3. Smailagic between the legs, down the lane, with the left, off the glass. Smailagic,
Heat check.
banks it in!
For a defensive rebound, it shows that guys are really playing hard. What a move.
And a nice drive and finish for Alen Smailagic. 6. And Santa Cruz gets the steal. In transition, Smailagic down Broadway, and he lays it in. Face up to tie. Oh, no good. Smailagic the rebound and puts it home. And one for the Serbians.
Beats, right?
Yeah, exactly. Smailagic the steal. 3 seconds to go in this. None up ahead. Smailagic. 7 on the shot clock for Smailagic, who drives.
Back actually with the club also.
Machado, guard out of Iona, coming off the bench as Smailagic hitting the 3, diversifying his portfolio. Smailagic, fatal. Backdoor cut, Kendrick none. Machado the other way, blocked by